Yo. Alright, so we had some crazy news yesterday. Um, Donald Trump officially declared a ceasefire. And why not? First things first, I always draw out my significant draws on liquidity. I'll mark it out. Was this yesterday? Shit was. I probably wouldn't put that there yet because price could just go lower than this. And this I won't count this as a low until this candle closes, which won't be for another 57 minutes. And we don't really have too many draws upwards, except for this one. It's probably gonna be a London high. Let's do the same shit on Nasdaq. Wait, what's the stream prediction? Stream title. Live trading on New York market open. I see traders unite. Now do. That's a low-key it. Like, don't really. You Joe bot. Funny man. Asia lows. Guessing we already swept that Asia high. Yep. And that's about it, low-key. No, this would be London low. And we're sort of still forming London high. This could be London high. So we got New York low. Asia low. Swept out Asia high. Yeah. Let's see, New York. Swept it out high. New York low, still got that. So any highs, all the highs have been swept out except for, no, all the highs have been swept out, and almost all the lows. Is there a London low yet? Yeah, this will be London low. I forgot. We did that on Nasdaq. Whatever, London low. Yeah, this would be London high, I think. But we haven't really formed. We'll just say potential. London high. This will be London low. I don't think price will go all the way back down there. Alright, I mean, like, to be honest, on the high time frame after the news events, holy shit, man! I just think we're just gonna go higher, man. Honestly, I don't think we're gonna go lower than we already have. That's what the high time frame is looking like. I think we might actually be due for a retracement. Actually, not too sure what's gonna happen. We'll just have to wait till market opens. Alright, so for potential setups, so market open, pre-market opened. There's a gap. Okay, swept out all these lows, which are probably it's 1 hour low. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we swept out these one hour lows. I think we're doing a Nasdaq. Yeah. Yeah. That's our first setup that I see. There's a fair value gap here. Pretty sure we didn't retrace into it fully. Maybe when the 15-minute candlestick closes, we'll retrace into the 15-minute fair value gap to continue higher. Alright, come on, let's change the song. I want to play Drake, but not this. No. Oops. Now we're kind of chilling until our market opens. So We're for sure gonna fill up this gap, I feel like, because that's a price imbalance. Like a fair trade of me. There's a gap here, 5 minute gap, so we could retrace into this and then continue higher to sweep out. Or wait, no, may come up to even up here. We'll just have to see. I hesitated there because I think if we push higher before 9:30, then that becomes that London high. So anything before 9:30, I always count as London session. Not until 9:30 that I'll even look for a trade. I do look at setups, potential setups in pre-market, because we could be further into my setup when market opens. Because usually I look for a sweeping liquidity, a confirmation, a continuation, go on a smaller time frame, and then look for another confirmation, confluence. But in pre-market, we could have a sweep, we could have a confirmation. Maybe market opens, we need a retracement, and then another confirmation in a lower time frame. And then, yeah, I'd enter my trade. But I wouldn't look for like long, like risk to reward ratio. I'd only look for like maybe the most recent high or something. No, we're kind of chilling until market opens now. See the news. 10:30. There's FOMC meetings. 2 o'clock. FOMC. Then Trump. Get attacked by who though? They just cannot stop manipulating the markets. Hit it. That's actually crazy though. Literally an hour ago. Okay, first ship passes through the Strait of Permission after the ceasefire. If we get into this gap and respect it. Oh, dude. The S&P is just like... This is clean movement. Strong movement upwards. That kind of shows me that Nasdaq is the more bearish index, by the way. Yeah, especially after this SMT right here. From here to here. To here to here. Nasdaq is definitely good for longs today. Might be retracing into equilibrium. or we could be retracing into this 15-minute fair value gap to continue higher. There's a gap here as well. ES. We tapped into it. And we tapped it into it in or on NQ. As soon as we tapped into it, see if we respect it or not. Actually, we definitely have like a probability of it disrespecting it, giving us a, you know, a bearish confluence. But we'll just have to wait till market opens. So when market opens, hopefully, we'll either disrespect it or show more buying power to the upside after this retracement here. I'm sure we're in equilibrium on the S&P or ES. I wonder if we'll inverse this gap or not. I feel like ES might, because it is the more bearish index, but I don't think Nasdaq will. I don't think NQ will inverse the gap. ES may. It might. Just have to see. And when we have one confluence showing bullish order flow and the other one showing bearish order flow, we do not take a trade. We only trade when both the indexes are lining up. Shit. I'm feeling this song, I ain't gonna lie. Gunna. I'm gonna play that song one more time. That was kind of fire. Made for this shit. See how my demo account's going. This is fake money. Oh, we up a bit. Just a little bit. Where the fuck am I? Oh. Look at that. I was made for this shit. Nigga, I prayed for this shit. Rolling handmade, it's from Swiss. What's on my plate? Steak or fish. At the round table, it's a big dish. Niggas ain't able, ain't on the list. Hermes Gator, my name on the list. Go AP, it's the same color Chris. Don't play with my name. Play with it. Young gon' wanna buy back. But I had such crazy positions. How? I think it's time to close all positions. Come on. It's a pretty deep retracement, I won't lie. Is there a gap here? There is a gap and we invest it, which is not a dub. I ain't feeling this. Oh, now we're talking. Let's put this down a bit. I don't know. I mean, what I'm thinking is, sure, this was like, you know, a sweep. We broke up higher. Big retracement. We could be pushing up higher. Or we could be... could have swept out this high. But we did break above it, but... we just have to wait till market opens, essentially. So we can do. I'm seeing 3 setups. I want to see what's gonna happen. See 3 setups. I think we're for sure gonna go up here actually. Because it did sweep this out, break above in the 5-minute, retrace into, I had a deep retracement. Whilst retracing, we did sweep out this 5-minute low as well, which is my third setup that I was thinking of. We could be inversing this gap, retracing again, go higher, or shit, man, would this even? No, I wouldn't. Nah, but I only see 2 setups. I don't see a setup for the downside, to be honest. Unless we sweep this out and then go lower. Break below. Retrace and go lower again. If that's the case, we'll take a trade if we're looking for shorts. We'll take a trade on ES if we're looking for shorts. We sweeping it out, or we gonna break above it? Let's see. I for sure think we're gonna go up here. I think this also is gonna be a London high. Market opens in 2.5 minutes. We're gonna sweep out this London high. Hopefully we'll reverse off it. If not, I'll be looking for a retracement and then smaller time frame, go higher as soon as market opens to target this high here. And I'll do that on the more bullish index, which is going to be Nasdaq in this case, because this setup here where we swept this shit out, then we broke above this high, then we had a fat retracement whilst also sweeping out this 5-minute low. And if we go on a 1-minute time frame, we are breaking above this high. See if this gap here holds or not. I have a feeling it would just tap into it and then just target this London high when market opens. If it shoots up, like, there's for sure potential for me to just or we might invest it, maybe. Nah. I knew it was gonna do that, but I'm not really keen to take a gamble. I won't lie to you. I didn't even end up sweeping that. We swept at this high here. Shit, now we're moving today, aren't we? Goddamn. I'm surprised we didn't end up sweeping that London high. Good thing I didn't take a trade. That's why you don't take trades during pre-market, guys. We did create a SMT divergence. Potential bearish SMT divergence, meaning we should take a trade on the S&P. I feel like that was obvious from pre-market. I feel like that was obvious. Now, see what happens. Maybe prices sweep out this London low, then continue higher. Let's see what happens. I honestly I'd honestly be looking for a retracement. If we retrace, yeah, this is gonna be tough. Oh, what the hell? Nasdaq ended up closer to that low than S&P. We haven't swept it out yet. I don't know, I think we're retracing into equilibrium here. But I'm not going to take a trade this early. Jesus. Swept out that 1 hour London low on Nasdaq. Now I'll use the Fibonacci because we're either going to retrace into equilibrium and go lower, or we're going to push towards 79% extension on the Fibonacci sequence and go higher. But we may just be having a retracement. I wouldn't take a trade even if we broke structure to the downside after reaching equilibrium, because Nasdaq did just sweep out 1 hour London lows. And yeah, get off the 1 minute. But there's no up candles. There hasn't been a single up candle. In like 20 minutes. No. Okay, we're in equilibrium. We're either going to continue downwards or we're going to break structure upside to follow through with this setup. So we've got two potential setups right now. And the first setup is looking more promising. Won't even lie. S&P's needed the selling power, so it came into the discount price range to get sellers into the market, to sweep out this 1 hour low. This is where I'll go into the 1 minute, and then if we break downwards, then like I would take a trade, but it's too early. And like, dude, that profit margin is not going to be massive. Imagine if we just sweep this out and then continue higher. That would be like $2, man. Come on now. It's not worth. And I'm not gonna lie, I think we're gonna be respecting the second setup where sweep out this low. There's no gap either, so we're gonna have to wait until we break above. Bro, it's gonna be like straight consolidation, I swear. Why are they just gonna be like doing this? Up, down, up, down, up, down? Or hopefully it just goes down, sweeps this out, go all the way up. No way it's gonna continue lower. Oh no. In equilibrium. Did we retrace into a gap or no? No, not really. Alright, so now we have a potential high time frame bullish SMT divergence, since Nasdaq swept out this London low and the ES didn't. We will see. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Hoping we don't break below this low because I don't think it's a good idea to enter a trade this early. Alright, so we didn't break below it, so it gives us more time. This could just be in a sweep. But if we do break below it, then I think it's kinda I don't know, bro. I think Nasdaq is the more bearish confluence here, even though we spotted that. We haven't broke below it yet. I'm waiting until the candlestick closes. This is where discipline really fucking kicks in, bro. You want to enter because you think you're gonna miss out. Yeah, fear missing out, but can't do anything about it until the candlestick closes. We could target these 1 hour lows. Take out a quarter of my position when we switch out this 1 hour low. Did we sweep anything out? We're about to sweep out London low, and we could reverse off that. If we reverse off it, I'm getting out my trade. Looking good. We could reverse off this point, yeah. Like low key, I think I should just be take profit actually, because there's no more draws to the downside unless we just do a full fucking like dip downwards to this Asia low. I'll just take partial positions because I think it's more than likely we don't, but in case we do, I want to be there for it. So we got this 1 hour low, and then we might take stop loss to break even. As soon as we sweep it out, manage my position. Didn't sweep it out on the Nasdaq, so it's kind of weird. I think they'll both sweep out this 1 hour low. I doubt they're just going to leave it. Take out a quarter of my position. Is that break even? So what's the break even? Now, the next draw is like Asia lows, and if we go down there, that's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be cray. Right. We should probably look for like 5-minute lows to go. Exit out from actually. So we got this. Got this low. This low. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. I doubt we're gonna go all the way down, but if we do, like, I'm there for that shit, you know? And my stop loss got hit. I had the song say run it back, so I might have to run it back. Made $6, kind of fuck all, but it's something. Alright, let's see what happens after this. If we reverse off this sweep, because I'm pretty sure both. Oh, okay. The S&P hasn't swept it out yet. Let's look up in a high time frame. Yeah, it definitely didn't. The fuck? Bro, what? My stop loss was at break even and I lost $1 out of it. That's bullshit, man. See if we'll continue higher. I think there is like for sure potential. If we don't find a trade by like 10 o'clock, then like you might have to call it. It looks like we're creating a high time frame bullish SMT divergence. Where the S&P is the more bullish index and Nasdaq is the more bearish index. There's no 5-minute gaps on the S&P or ES. and we'd have to invest this one. And if we form a retracement on both the indexes, then we're probably going to be looking for more long orders. Oh shit, that was scary. So we could be retracing into equilibrium before continuing lower to sweep out this 1 hour low. See what happens. Looks like we're respecting this gap, this 1 minute gap. Didn't sweep out this low. Bro, what are we gonna like target, man? Why are we going even further down? Like, we'll probably just have to target this. Dang, this kind of sucks, I won't lie. I will, if we manage to sweep out this low, then I manage a quarter my position. Sweep out this low, manage a quarter, another quarter. I thought for sure we're gonna go back up higher after sweeping out that low, but we just only retraced into 5-minute equilibrium to continue lower. Because we did break below this low, which gives me, I don't know, like confidence. Like price may sweep out this high right here before continuing lower. Let's see what S&P is doing. Yeah, it looks like it's doing the same shit, man. I'm pretty damn confident. I won't lie to you. Manage a quarter of my position when that first low gets hit, and then we must stop loss to break even. Like, I won't be surprised if price sweeps out this high, but if it goes like all the way up here, then I'm probably gonna get out the trade. But I think I don't know, I feel like it's just too obvious on where price wants to go. Dude, if it was gonna go higher, then we wouldn't have broken below this low here. Suss at the 5-minute. Like, there's no way we would have broken below this low if we were going to go higher. Like, we swept out this 1 hour low and we swept out London low. We had plenty of opportunity to reverse to the upside, but we dipped all the way back down and showed more bearish confluences on the downside. Now I won't be surprised if price goes all the way up here to sweep out this 1 minute high and then continue lower. Like, this isn't a retracement, this is a breaker structure, a bearish confluence, not a bullish one. So I believe it's just gonna go lower. It would have done that before. Don't know why it would now. But if it does now, then I learned something new. That's what you gotta take from this trading shit, man. Are we just gonna consolidate now, or like what? Is there news or something? Like, come on now. Not really. Why are we consolidating? Can we get our asses moving, please? Okay, we're just having some stacked up 1 minute lows right here, which I hope we're gonna sweep out before we dump. Here comes the sweepage. I want to see what ES is doing, see if it's doing the same shit. No, it's only got one high. Did we sweep it out? Nah. I just want to see. It's like probably not good for you, for your psychology, but yeah. Oh my god, straight barcodes, man, come on. Let's get ready. Let's manage half the position, because I feel like something's gonna happen soon. Like, I don't know why we wouldn't just sweep out these highs before going, just dump. Because I wouldn't panic if it goes all the way up here, but I would if it goes like all the way up here. Okay, shut myself a bit. We're gonna manage a quarter of the position when we sweep out this 5-minute low. Or we're just gonna fucking stay in this price range, man. Holy shit. Come on now. We need some total dumpage, please. What did we do on the S&P? We swept out our low. 1 minute low, come on now. Let's get a quarter. Let's get ready. As I said, I wouldn't panic if it goes all the way up here. I'm surprised we haven't swept these out yet though. Because as soon as we sweep these out, then I'm expecting a dumpage, but if it goes all the way up here, then I'm out the trade. And I took a loss for the day. But that's a part of trading, you know. Did we create another high? Alright, we sweep it out. We swept out a high. Maybe two. Surprised we didn't sweep this one out. Okay, we swept it out on ES. Both indexes swept out a 1 minute high. What is this straight barcode shit right now? We're going like, come on now. Bro. Can we hurry up and do something, bro? And we're just gonna sweep out this last high before continuing lower. Mate, look at this, bro. What is this? Look at this shit. Straight consolidation, man. It's like 3 doji candles, so almost. Oh, fuck. Bro, can we do something already? Bro, I swear, if we're just gonna go fucking create another doji candle again, man. Look how fucking... Dude, this is tilting as hell. At least close below these wicks. Because I'm sure there's a low somewhere there. Ah, there isn't. Oh, that's not good. We're slowly breaking, going high on Nasdaq, on ES. But we're going lower on Nasdaq, which is kind of weird. It's not giving me good vibes. What are we even doing? Not gonna lie, like, this has got to be like a retracement or something, man. Oh, we're in this gap. Oh, we're in equilibrium, 5-minute equilibrium. Like, if price goes above this equilibrium point, like right here or some shit, then I'm probably out. It would either have to go down after sweeping out these highs, or go down after reaching 5-minute equilibrium. Because we reached equilibrium on ES. Hopefully, okay, now this break above this high, I'm not too stressed about because we did reach equilibrium because of that. But if we break below this low, then I'll be a bit more confident. Since this is the more bullish index. If we break below this low, I'll be way more confident. But I have no influence on the market. Doesn't have to listen to me. Alright. Let's get this shit ready. Finally, cunt. Okay, never mind. I need to stop swearing, bro. Surely break below this low. And we're not going to, are we? No. Looks like that was more of a sweep than anything. Bro, can we go somewhere? Brr. As I said, if we go above this high, I'll be chilling. If we go to equilibrium, I'll be chilling. If we go any higher than that, then I'll be shitting myself. Fucking hell. It's about to sweep out second. See if it hits my stop loss or... Yeah, it did. How much have I made today? $8, bro. Calm the fuck on. I'm probably gonna have to call it there, not gonna lie. Bro, what a dead day. So dead. So fucking dead. Jeez, man. So dead. Like, well, I mean, it's something. $12. Wow. I'm bloody rich now. Nah, that was it for the day. I can't get greedy. Bro, come on, bro. Where are the fucking like couple $100 days, bro? I literally had like a great trading day this day. That was like a $300 AUD day. Hold on, I gotta check something. Alright, sweet. Lame. Alright, well. Hope you enjoyed the stream. To my one viewer. Shout out to people on YouTube. If I ever get famous and rich in the future, shout out future me. Peace. Peace, 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 peace.